Good morning, Attorney Roger Gelb here. Today I'm going to discuss tailgating accidents in Maryland. These normally occur, of course, when a vehicle rear ends a client, a claimant that we're representing. You may have been in the past driving down the road and noticed somebody tailgating you. Naturally, it's very, besides being very distressing and upsetting potentially, it's frustrating because there's not a lot of things that you can do. Of course, you could consider, if it's at all a possibility, switching lanes, but I certainly wouldn't recommend anything sudden. If you stop suddenly, of course, there would be a rear-end collision. But you may have to stop suddenly. There may be a sudden emergency. There may be an animal that crosses in front of you. You may have a vehicle in front of you that stops suddenly. So this is a common pattern that creates a rear-end collision. There's never or rarely an issue when it's a rear-end collision as to who's at fault, but it is an issue that people should be aware of. When you are being tailgated, again, you can gesture with your hand asking that the car behind you may perhaps slow down. You could potentially, I've heard of different tricks involving turning your windshield washer fluid on and potentially getting the car behind you to back off. But the problem with those ideas is, of course, it could incite somebody. And we don't want to inflame a situation. So the best thing is to really just drive normally at the, under the speed limit, carefully, prudently, and hopefully a collision won't occur. But if one does, and if you are unfortunate enough to be rear-ended and you're injured in the accident, please give me a call. I'm happy to discuss the claim. My telephone number is 202-331-7227. Thanks for listening.